Hello everybody! Are you ready for play toys? We have Barbie Buffalina taking her pet dog Taffy out on a walk. Chick, 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 chick. Ring ring, ring ring, ring ring. Oh! Someone's calling me? Someone's calling me on my princess phone? Wow! Here I have Rapunzel. I have Ariel, Cinderella, Cindy, with her bird friends and the horsey that takes her out with the pumpkin carriage. Of course, Aurora and her secret book, and Belle with the rose. Ring ring, ring ring. Let me answer it. Yes, hi. Barbie Pet Talks here. Who's that? Hi Barbie, it's Barbie babysitter. Help, help please, my baby can't stop crying. Can you come help me? Oh, yes of course, Barbie babysitter. Let me get ready for you. Oh, if you need help for babies, let me put on my new doctor's outfit. Wow, let me get quickly to change. I'll take off my shoes. 1, 2. My pants. And my shirt. Because I need to rescue Barbie babysitter's baby. She's crying. Maybe she needs medical help. Let me examine her. Okay. Open the Velcro at the back. Just put Barbie's legs right on the inside, just like you're dressing a dress. One arm in. There you go. Put the second arm in. The short sleeve can be a bit tricky. There you go, Barbie. Now you start to look more like a nurse. Here we go. Now let's dress Barbie's pants. They have a little Velcro on the back, which makes it so much easier to get her in. Put the 2 legs and just pull. Turn on the back and close the Velcro. Shirt on top. It looks clean, fresh and elegant. Now it's time for Barbie doctor shoes. 1 and the second one. Barbie always has to have a high heel. Of course, Barbie has a little nurse hat with a little sling underneath. Oh, Taffy, be a good dog, stay here and wait for me when I come back with good news. I'm in such a hurry, I need my car. Vroom, 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 vroom. Here is Barbie doctor's car. Yes, we don't have an ambulance, but she's just a friend anyways. Barbie, you must put on your seatbelt. It is very important. Here are Barbie's instruments. Mini doctor bag. And Barbie's going to put a sticker on her car to say she's doctor's car, almost like an ambulance. Barbie, you gotta rush. Boom, 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 boom. Hello, Barbie doctor. Thank you for coming. Here's my crying baby. I don't know what's wrong with her. Barbie babysitter, don't worry. I'll examine your baby. Here we'll put her on the little table. Hi, baby. Oh, oh, oh. Don't worry, just lay down. Oh, oh. Here's your mobile. Swing-a-ring-a, swing-a-ring-a. Do you feel better? Oh, Barbie babysitter, don't worry. I have my book to take temperature, weight, and check food. Let's start the examination. Oh, look, I brought my blood measure. Ah, baby, everything is okay. And you're just fine. Now you may lay down and enjoy your mobile. Well, what was the last thing to check? Baby's food. Hey, Barbie sitter, when did you feed your baby? Barbie doctor? Oh my gosh. I just forgot to feed my baby. Oh, Barbie babysitter, this is sort of silly. Let's get the bottle. Hi, baby. This is your milky bottle. Oh, my little baby was just hungry. Let's put her in the feeding chair. Put the bottle back. Let's put you in, little Bebulina. And let's take a bite. Yummy, yummy in your tummy. Yummy, yummy in your tummy. We have a happy baby again. What a joy. Oh, Barbie doctor, thank you so much for your help. I didn't know what the problem was. I guess now I can put my little baby in her crib. Na na. My baby has a little lavender bear to hug and sleep. Sweet dreams, baby. Sleep well. Thank you for watching.